So we're doing a diagnostic on a no crank, no start, and we just drove it in, but watch this. Watch how fast the battery discharged.
Yeah.
There you go. That's why you can't jump start it, because the battery's so short inside. Right?
When she said no crank, no start, I figured it was a battery.
Me too. But then he jump started it himself and couldn't get it to jump because the battery's so fucking dead.
You need fucking
We
the
had-
full charge
yeah.
of this. What's the fucking... Yeah. It was fully charged
Yeah,
when
yeah,
we
yeah,
started
yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Well, these are really good booster.
Well, that too.
And that's just why when people say, well, I just put a battery in my car, right? And then they come back in and it's the battery's dead again, right? Or, you know, and then we jump it, it starts. And then I check the alternator voltage, it's good, it's bad, or it's whatever the case may be. And they're like, well, I don't want a new battery. I'm like, well, no, I'm not doing the job. Because this is prime example of why I don't do that. Because a bad battery is only going to ruin the alternator, or, you know, or cause you to have a problem. Does it have a date on there?
I don't think so.
It's an auto zone. It's obviously not that old.
It doesn't look that old, but...
What's that say? Anyway, it's not like this battery's 10 years old. I guarantee it's not. You follow me?
But then again, you also have this where it happens where batteries
Right.
just have
I'm just
shorter
saying when
shelf
customers say,
life.
oh, I just had a new battery put in. Well, you obviously still have a problem. Either it's a bad battery, because that does happen, right? It's not very often, but how many bad batteries we have? Put it in, it's good one day, and see the customer back a month later with another battery issue.
Yeah, but then again, that's a month. You know, I mean,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
you
yeah.
can tell it's been in here for a decent amount. The label's peeling. There's dust on the battery.
Yeah. Bye.
I'd say it's been in the car for probably about a year.
Probably about a year or two, and depending on his driving habits with this vehicle.
It sits more than anything. He's an older dude.
Yeah, and he has another car that's a Cadillac. Why the
See you
hell
later,
would he drive
guys. Thanks for watching.
I remember.